Alright, just wanted to show you, basically I've changed the insides of the Neo Geo to actually use a Raspberry Pi. So inside here, I have a Raspberry Pi, and that is connected to a HDMI to VGA, and that goes into an Ultimark JPac, which is this right here, through VGA. I got a little sound amp in the back wrapped up in tape, but that's basically it. That's all you need. You just need Ultimate, the JPac, Raspberry Pi, and a HDMI to VGA adapter. And you don't need to buy some big kit or anything else. I'm going to show you. It's basically pixel perfect. It's got the scan lines. This is a 15 Hertz K7000 monitor. So let's try a game that everybody knows. The JPac will map to all the buttons on your controls automatically. You don't have to go through all types of problems trying to get everything mapped. So, but this is metal plug 3. I didn't wire up anything, I just plugged it right into the jamma connector. So everything is set the way it's supposed to be. So for quarters, you hit the quarter button, and you hit the one player start.
Marco! Mission 1, start!
And as you can see, it works perfectly fine. If you put these side by side, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. Everything is mapped as far as the scan lines are supposed to be. And I have an exit command with the 2 start buttons. The game select and the left player start button. Game select will let me have it wired up to let me choose by letter. So I'll show you the other stuff works now too. Nintendo and Super Mario Brothers. It's going to tell it what key is what, and it'll save it, and then you can play Super Mario. So I'll get my select and my start. And assuming everybody's played this. And more powerful games will work, like CPS3. So we've got N64, which I can't use because I don't have an analog control, but if I hook up wireless connectors, I can use that. I can use Mega Drive, MAME, Game Boy, Game Gear, Final Burn, for instance. Street Fighter 3, there's a game that usually takes a lot of processing power. And this is all from a Raspberry Pi 3, a JPac, and an active HDMI to VGA. For the sound amp, I just picked up a really cheap $10 pair of speakers, PC speakers, and I put the jack into the actual Raspberry Pi itself, and I cut the wires that go to the speakers, and I just wired them directly up to the JPac, and that works like a little amplifier. So, and as you can see, it's pixel perfect. You get your scan lines in there. Let the demo go. And it has the correct resolution for this is 240p on a 15 Hz monitor. And as you can see, everything's where it should be. All the scan lines are where they should be. Now, I've only got 4 buttons on here, so I can't play 6-player games once I add 2 more buttons. There's a breakout patch cable that you can add extra buttons to. Really easy. But as you can see, everything works. So if anybody has any questions, just let me know. Bye.